Hello, hope you're having a good day. I suppose that if you're here, you're probably wondering about the Ocutamin vision loss support formula. Well, my name is Isabella and I'm here to help you with all your doubts. So watch this video until the end to get all the information you need before purchasing this product. To begin with, I would like to inform you that Ocutamin is only sold on its official website. Any other sites that offer the product are not reliable, so I strongly suggest that you make your purchase through the official site, which by the way I will leave the link below in the description of this video. Well, after all, what is Ocutamin and what is it for? Does it really work? It is a 100% exclusive formula supplement designed to improve the immune barrier in the eyes and prevent toxin damage. It prevents oxidative stress, inflammation, and environmental risk factors that affect eye structure and function. It can be taken by people with severe vision loss issues, as well as those who just want to stimulate their eyes and the system that surrounds them to a level of focus you didn't even know you were capable of. Eyes need constant protection at all times. There are many reasons why eye health and vision can decline, for example, excessive use of screens, sun exposure, dietary inadequacies, and prolonged use of certain medications. For this and other reasons, the creators of Ocutamin created this formula that can change lives. Using a proprietary organic and natural blend, Ocutamin is able to boost your immune system to the levels needed to fight those toxins that impair your perfect vision. The formula contains some highly potent varieties of plants, herbs, and minerals. All the compounds present in Ocutamin help fill nutritional deficiencies and protect the eyes from the progression of diseases and vision problems, restoring the health of your eyesight in a highly safe and natural way. Here are some of the effects you can expect after using Ocutamin, according to the official sales page. Eliminates toxins or pollutants from the body. Protects the eye from infections caused by hazardous environmental chemicals. Produces a shield, protecting the eyes from harmful high-energy light rays, UV radiation, and other invading pollutants. Improves cognitive function and mental clarity. Increase your energy levels. Combining the high quality of the natural ingredients used in the manufacture of the Ocutamin supplement and the correct way to use it, it will be very difficult for you not to have the expected results. With that in mind, what is the best way to take Ocutamin pills? For best results, it is recommended that you take 1 capsule after breakfast, lunch, or dinner daily, with a large glass of water. After all this information, you must be wondering if there are any side effects when taking this formula. According to the manufacturer's and official sales website, Ocutamin is 100% natural, gluten-free and GMO-free, with all ingredients sourced from their place of origin. For this reason, it does not cause any side effects in your body. And I have one more important thing to tell you. The Ocutamin memory loss support add-in is backed by a 60-day warranty. That is, if you buy and are not completely satisfied with the product, you have a full money-back guarantee. So, thanks for watching until the end. I hope I helped in some way with this video, and don't forget that if you want to access the official Ocutamin website, the link will be in the description of this video.